Did you know Odysseus could have sailed home from Troy in just 2 weeks? Instead, the gods forced him through 10 years of hell. The Cyclops, the Sirens, supernatural storms that destroyed everything he loved. But here's what most people miss about Homer's Odyssey. Every obstacle was designed to teach him something he couldn't learn any other way. Trapped with Calypso for 7 years, he learned patience. Losing his entire crew to his own bride, he discovered humility. Resisting the Sirens' deadly song, he gained wisdom. 2,000 years later, Marcus Aurelius read this story and wrote those famous words, "The obstacle becomes the way." Odysseus didn't just survive his journey, he was transformed by it. Think about your own life right now. That career setback, that relationship challenge, that unexpected detour you never wanted. What if they're not punishments? What if they're a preparation? The ancient Stoics knew something we've forgotten. Your struggles aren't stopping your story. They're writing it. The question isn't why this is happening to you. The question is who you're becoming because of it.